And today we're going to be checking out this 2-pack of Apple magnetic chargers. That's right, these are for Apple watches. They have a 3.3 foot cable. You do get 2 in the single pack, and they're supposed to be fast charging your watch in as quick as 2.5 hours. So let's go ahead and point the camera down. We're going to take a closer look at these and go over a few more details. All right, so we do have an Apple Watch sitting here for testing just to make sure that they work. I'm going to go ahead and get them out. There you go. You can see it is 2 indeed. They have super strong magnets inside. They do have this little cover on there that you can peel off. And let's test the magnet strength. Clip on just like that. There you go. Strong enough. Go ahead and unravel this cord. Plug it into my little USB right here. Let's see if it lights up. And there you go. We are charging. So they do work. That's good. They're nice and compact. You can use them anywhere. They do have built-in protections for your watch, such as an over-temp protection, over-current protection, over-voltage protection, overcharge protection, and all that's done with an intelligent chip in there, so you don't damage your Apple Watch in any way. So it will be safe for your watch, and they seem like they will do a fine job. So if you're looking for a value pack of Apple chargers, you can have one in your car, one in your bedroom, leave one at home, take one for travel. However you choose to divide them up. If you have multiple watches in the house and you need more than one, this would be a great option. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.